Alright, time for the eyes. They come with sparkly discs that go on the back of the post to make the eyes shiny. And the backings. They go onto the eye post and lock the eyes in place. Count the rounds starting from the very first round. Count until you reach round 7. Between rounds 7 and 8, pick any stitch and insert the first eye into it. From this eye, count 6 stitches to the other side. Insert the second eye right next to the 6th stitch. Make sure the eyes look symmetrical. Adjust if needed. Every plushie comes out slightly different. Once you're happy with the placement, snap the backing on. The eye will sit deeper in the fabric. After locking both eyes, they will move slightly closer together, so don't place them too narrowly at the start.